Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a video I created for all autoresponder app using just my smartphone.
Tired of too many social media messages? Just log on to the autoresponder app and click the plus icon. Enter the received message pattern in the first box provided. Select the similar match option. Enter a custom reply relative to the message received in the second box. Then, scroll up and click on the Select App option. Choose your list of preferred apps or social media platforms. Then click on the mark icon twice to get the completion notification.
Alright, thanks for watching, and I have a very big offer for only just my YouTube audience. Alright, so I'm giving out my complete motion graphic design course, alright, with smartphone, which is worth 25,000 naira right now, right, for a bonus fee of 10,500 naira. Actually, the content of this course is actually worth hundreds of thousands naira, right? But just to make it affordable for everyone, it is 25,000 naira, and this is what I'm giving to you for 10,500 naira, just only to my YouTube audience alone, right? This offer ends on Saturday, September 3rd. So the link is going to be in the description. So don't miss out on this opportunity, right? So click on the link in the description and go grab the offer right now.